Hey y'all, I want to show you how to clean off your jelly plate to get it, clear so that you're ready to begin working with a clean plate. So I just had a printing session and you can see that my plate is a mess. So I need to clean this up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with a thin layer of color, and I'm actually going to do two different colors. I know a lot of people clean their plates with white. I like cleaning mine with these two kind of soft pastel-y colors. I just like the way it looks because my cleaning process, I actually end up using the paper. So I have a, partially done monoprint here, and I am going to print part of this. I'm using this paper to clean it. So I'm setting this down, mind thin layer, and I'm gonna print on here. Always like sometimes I could have covered this whole thing with this one piece of paper, a fresh piece of paper, completely blank piece of paper, but I am opting to just utilize the different areas to just make multiple prints because to me that's just a little more interesting. So I'm just rubbing it down. I'm letting it sit. When I'm in a hurry, I will let the paper sit overnight, and then I'll peel the paper off in the morning. But I'm gonna pull it up for y'all now. So I also want to show you this while the plate and the paper is drying. I have this journal that I bought that is filled with handmade paper. I like this handmade paper, but it's not my favorite for, doing my sketching on. So what I do is I use these books, I have a few of these sketchbooks that has this handmade paper in it, and I use them for cleaning off the brayer anytime I'm monoprinting. So you can see I have just about filled this, and I will sometimes go do multiple passes eventually. So this is a page where I cleaned off the edges, like rolled, just rolled the edges because I had like gloppy bits on the edge, which gives an interesting pattern. So this is just a creative way for you to use the paint that's on the brayer so that it doesn't get wasted. Fill a sketchbook with color so that you can come back to this and add to it collage, paint. This is just a base. This is a base for you to create off of. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm excited to have that one almost full. So let's see. I'm feeling these out. I feel like they've sat long enough. I can tell that if I pull, I can just tell. I don't know. I've been monoprinting for so long. I can just tell that when I peel this up, it's going to be pretty darn clean. It's going to be a clean pull. And look how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I feel like sometimes cleaning the plate is like these prints are sometimes my favorite prints, is cleaning the plate off. So will I keep these two together? Maybe, maybe not. I may, cut this out and use this as a base for collage. Cut this up, use it as collage fodder. I have no idea. But look how, I've got a few little spaces on here. But to me, that's pretty clean. So let's pull these off. This one's not pulling as clean. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. That is pretty. And let's see what this one did. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is great. This is like, but all of this is just a nice base for continuing to work on top of them. So that's how easy it is to clean your plate off. I don't mind having this residue here. I will actually leave this here and come back to work. You can see these are actually divots in my, they're little dents in my plate. This is a very, very old plate, and it ended up getting dented because I put, you know, the plastic, the thick piece of plastic that they give you that the plate is covered in. Mine had gotten some creases in it, and I laid it back on the plate, and that's what kind of dented the plate. But it's no big deal. You can see the style that I work in. It doesn't affect my way of printing, so I don't worry about it at all. So for me, this is a clean plate. It's ready for me to start a new project. And that's it. That's it. That's how that is a way that you can clean your jelly plate. So happy creating, y'all.